topper for the extension? Let's find out. Hey, this is Nasrin. Welcome to my channel. I'm a specialist doing hair extension and hair loss for many years. I found out clients, they make a decision before they came out to our salon. Ashley, one of our clients, she found out her finding her its best solution for her to having topper. After we have a consultation, I recommend for her to she have a fusion extension instead. Let's see how make different.
Fusion extension is customized solution for each client. It adds the volume and length to your hair, and it's so easy to take care of it. It's so light, looking so natural. It's easy to style. It's easy for your daily life. Let's see how Ashley's reaction.
Okay, Ashley, why don't you open it?
Okay.
And look at it.
Oh my gosh.
That looks so
That looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. Wow.
The color is
The color
so
is like,
match,
it's like spot on.
and that's the other idea. And topper.
Thank you. I still wish that.
And contact us at Nasrin Hair Extension Salon in social media, and you can call me at 469-994-4589.